you're seeing exclusive footage of this brand new sports car. It's called the AP0, and it doesn't cost as much as you might think. The look is inspired by a cyber dragon. How cool is that? It's fully road legal, and it goes, get this, 0 to 100 in 2.3 seconds, with the equivalent of 650 horsepower. It also has an augmented reality display that I'll talk to you about in just a second. Also, you're going to want to see the back tail lights turn on. Look at these little headlights with the 3 LED lights at the front. That's pretty cool. Now you might think that a car that looks like this with this much power would go for $1 million, but it doesn't. It goes for around $200,000. What do you reckon of those rims? 19-inch wheels in the front, 20-inch wheels in the back. What you're looking at there is LiDAR technology, and what that means is this car is capable of self-driving technologies. All right, take a look at these taillights. Isn't that awesome? The taillights light up in the logo of Apex, the manufacturer of this car. You've got butterfly doors that come up beautifully from an all carbon fiber body car. There it is, the Apex logo. Take a look how low this car is to the ground. Massive rear diffuser. Now this car, as I said, has augmented reality heads-up display. Holographic images will be on the windscreen in front of you in order to improve your driving skills. You see, it also has a feet up sitting position, so your feet are in line with your knees. The interior looks pretty cool. The software will also be updated through its Wi-Fi system. This is an all-electric sports car with supercar capabilities. The batteries lay along the floor of the car, and it's designed and manufactured in the UK. What do you guys reckon?
What are you done with my car?
No one was here.
You're just driving it, yeah?
Got it. Oh yeah, you got it. You got this. Hold it.
Everybody's inside right now. The YRBC door is open, the Senate door is open. We're gonna close the Regera here real quick. The car looks so crazy. I just love the tech on this thing. It is legit the ultimate transformer. You're telling me that your caboose is sitting right there. That caboose is right here on this fine leather Italian Alcantara.
When I got out, the guy in the car next to me is like, "You didn't look that cool getting out of that car."
I'm like, really?
I know.
I think your dad just signaled it's time to go. He's just revving the Chiron.
That's his way of saying let's go.
Let's go. Best of luck.
Best of luck to both of us.
True. I don't know how to drive this car. I'm gonna figure it out though. I don't know. Now, yes, the Regera does have 1,500 horsepower, but unlike the Chiron, it's rear-wheel drive, whereas that car is all-wheel drive. We're probably gonna use maybe 50 horsepower today. We got Johnny Rocket driving the 4GT, looking so smug. Bro, you look good in a 4GT. Johnny needs a 4GT. Nothing looks quite like a Bugatti Chiron. This Mazda 6, like, look at that car in traffic right there. What? Those blue wheels, that car is so sick. Oh my goodness, what do you guys think? Is it time to swap out the Veyron for the Chiron? I'm always jawing back and forth how this is the greatest, that is the greatest. I think it's safe to say this is the greatest convoy we have ever been a part of or will ever be a part of. Like, all of these cars, they're not houses, they're neighborhoods. Burlacker's gonna pee his pants right now. He's driving that YRBC. They are right up on that minivan. I know he is not comfortable right now. He is sweating like crazy. I'm sweating like crazy. Oh, they're going. Go, 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 go. That Chiron. Look at that thing take off. I don't know what's going on. These guys got the wise idea that we should take the top off. I'm the one driving it. This is gonna, how many guys does it take to take the roof off of Koenigsegg? 1, 2, 3, 4, we got 2 cameramen, that's 6 right there. Burlacker got lost though, he missed the exit. Check that out. When in Ohio in 55. Now we are truly living the Koenigsegg high life, open top living, so close the door. And this is the most epic entrance to a car dealership ever, like ever, in the entire history of anybody in the entire world. We are arriving here to Marshall Goldman with a squad of hypercars. Oh my. I think you're the first ever in the entire history of the world to get out of a Pagani with a sleeveless hoodie.
Am I?
How's your back, bro?
Oh my gosh.
You were in a 4GT the whole time.
Great. I feel like the little engine that could back there, like trying to keep up.
The little engine that could. What? Wait, whoa. This is kind of sort of graphic. If the editor could please blur this out.
Blur it out.
Sorry, kids. Turn away. Turn away.
We have officially arrived here to heaven on earth. Check this out. I would not mind a 16M Scuderia. Well, it's a hard, arduous 2-hour journey, but somebody had to do it, so it had to be us. But check this out. We have arrived to the back vault at Marshall Goldman for a very, very special delivery. Oh.
The only Heritage Blue Carbon Series on the planet, and
That's so sick.
BDD has it.
That's right.
That's a V6, baby, with 2 turbos. That's 2 more than the Porsche Taycan Turbo S, but half the cylinders of a Lamborghini Aventador. If there's any Ford executives watching today's video, why did you have to reject me for my allocation? Not that I could afford it, but if I could have, oh my gosh, that color under the sun? That's crazy. That's like mermaid.
We could sell your kidneys. You could get one.
I can sell both kidneys. Can I sell both? I only have 2 kidneys. I don't got 12 like you. Have you guys ever seen the movie Groundhog's Day? I wish this was my Groundhog's Day right here. I could relive this day over and over and over and over again. I just drove a Koenigsegg Regera 2 hours here to Cleveland, and now we're driving 2 hours back. I might take the Chiron, I might take the Wire, I don't really know. We started this epic journey with 5 cars, and we're taking a 6th one home. This 4GT looks so sick. Guys, in the comments below, if you could have just 1 car of all these 6, which would it be and why? I'd take the Regera. Is this happening right now? Are you buying a yellow Prowler to match your yellow Viper?
Absolutely.
How much is it? Do you know?
42.
42,000. I look at 41. 41. Done.
40. I don't got 41.
Shake his hand. I'll shake it for you. Yes, done.
Wait, did you just buy it?
All right, wait, did I just buy it? I think I just bought a Prowler.
Wait, let's hear it.
Wait, did we just buy a Prowler?
I think you just bought a Prowler.
That happens. It happens. Doing a weird exchange. I'm passing the Koenig. Don't drop him. Don't drop him, bro.
Don't drop it.
Oh goodness. Oh goodness.
Wait.
Whoa.
Come on. I have to pedal that thing to keep it up.
But you did leg day, bro. You're good.
Dude.
I'm tired. I need to eat.
I'm not sure what sequence of events has led us to this, but I'm now driving a Bugatti Chiron. Johnny's driving a Pagani YRBC, and Baby Burlacker's driving a Koenigsegg. This has officially gotten ridiculous. What is even going on right now? I am driving a Bugatti Chiron. Burlacker's driving a Koenigsegg. Like, I just said those words. I'm driving a Chiron. Burlacker's driving a Koenigsegg. We're driving 2 hours back to Columbus. This is legit the greatest day of my entire life. I've driven Chirons before, but like for 4 minutes. I'm driving one for 2 hours. I'm not going to. I'm going to. Ooh. Ooh. My soul just left my body right there. Oh my gosh. Okay, a Veyron is fast. A Chiron, I have no... What is even going on? That Regera looks like a fighter jet right there. That thing is crazy. Oh my gosh, you see it on the road. That's the only Koenigsegg in the state of Ohio. Johnny is just grinning from ear to ear.
Fancy meeting you here.
No way, what are you doing in Ohio?
I like your car.
Same, bro. I didn't know you picked up a Regera. Looks good, you must feel good. It's just another casual day here at the Convenient Express. We got the McLaren Senna, the Bugatti Chiron, the Ford GT, the new Ford GT, the Honda CRX, the Koenigsegg Regera, and the Pagani Huayra BC. Well, I gotta say, 10 out of 10 would recommend the Convenient Express. It's convenient and efficient. So on that bombshell, we're headed back to Columbus. First, we gotta navigate this little driveway, kind of sort of off-roading a little bit. Just in case you guys are wondering, we're averaging 49 miles per hour and 10.6 miles to the gallon. That's not bad, actually, when you think about it. We got 16 cylinders, and we're averaging nearly a mile per gallon per cylinder. That Ford GT, it is so sick. Ford executives, where are you at? I want one of those cars so bad. I get the thumbs up. Oh goodness, that GT, that color, it's almost like a Tiffany. I don't even know what to say right now, guys, but I feel like I need to somehow capture it. Like, my best friend is driving a Koenigsegg Regera right now. Oh yeah, there's a Senna and a Ford GT. Johnny's somewhere back there on a Pagani, and we have a Ford Escape that is ruining our video. Is that an Escape? Oh, that's a hybrid. That's a nice spec. Mark this day on the calendar, the day that Nick and I raced, me and a Chiron, and him and a Regera, in 3, 2, 1, go! And we go bye-bye. Okay, so I kind of sort of forgot to tell him we were racing, but I just wanted to win.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.